This month's potted combo oozes rustic country charm. So I'm using Northcote Pottery's whiskey barrel in walnut colour. So I'm using a leucadendron called Jack Herrera at the back here. This one is one of the beautiful carex grasses that's got a lovely bronze colour to it. I'm going to use a little labertia right here called Taupo Blaze. Then I'm going to use a little pop of colour. So these are Nifophias or red hot pokers. This one's called Poco Orange, so it's got a lovely little bright orange flower. This is the real hero, I think. This is an Aeonium, so it's beautiful. It's low water use and just has wonderful architectural foliage. Then we'll get a bit of grey foliage to finish it all off. So I'm going to use some lamb's ears and a Carex frosted curls right at the front. You'll see the pot's looking nice and full, so that'll look beautiful for a good few months. Then when things start to outgrow the pot, you can quite simply take something out, put it into the garden, or refresh your whole potted combo.